shipment from Bait won the Yeezy raffle. That's right. This is unboxing. Yes, so I lost the confirm app, but at a whim I went to the store and entered my first raffle into a raffle, and here it is. My Pirate Black only had one line, and this one has a random assortment of Boost imprints. So, some of them said they have a new production date. I want to zoom right in. So this production date has it as 3/17. This production date is 3/17. Some of them have 2/17, but this is 3/17. Oh, sticker is on. We're gonna compare these ones from Adidas.com. Those should come sometime this coming week.